Okay, I'm going to zoom this as high as I can and I'm sitting on the ground, as you can tell. Oh. But seeing them come in from the sky, and this is what is so cool, is just watching them come in, because they don't fly like at 6 feet or something. They come in from 50 to 60 feet and leave at 60 or 50 feet. So I'm going to try to zoom as much as I can, catch a few of them coming in, and maybe you could see it. Because they just come right out of the sky. It's so cool to say here's like O'Hare Airport or something, you know, some international airport, New York or whatever, and they just come right out of the sky. And they leave that way too. So I'm gonna zoom back to where I am, and try also this way. You can see it. But anyway, that's it. I'm right in the middle of them all. White legs and everything.